buzzed a lot. I'm gonna see if she buzzes again. There we go. That's what I was looking for.